Hey guys, so here's the barrel right there. So all of this we got to empty it out back. You probably say, why you have to empty it out back? Because it's gonna be 2 barrels and I have to balance off the cans. We're gonna see how best I can accomplish that. But right now, we're definitely gonna have to empty this guy. Guys, I know it seems as if it's a lot of work, but it's a better thing to do. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Manix Robinson TV, and I am back at it again. We are about to get a winter storm. But anyway, storm or no storm, business still have to get done. And as you can see right here, just back up the truck in the garage. We are going to empty these items out of the truck. Let me show you what's going on. We are packing a barrel. It was intended to pack 1 barrel, but because of the supermarkets that I've been shopping, you know, a couple of them, you know, they have items on sale, and on top of that, I've been using coupons. It seemed to me that we are gonna go over. No, not seem. We're definitely gonna go over 1 barrel. So, planning on only doing 1, but as I say, items are on sale and we're using coupons, so the dollars was able to stretch very far, and this is where we are right now. So if you want to see how I unpack the truck with all these items, you can stay. Yeah, my garage is very clean. We don't park vehicles in the garage because I use my garage to conduct business, but just for preventive measure, we lay down some artificial grass on the floor so that we can pack out the stuff then. Alright, so let's get to it guys. Got some oil right here. These guys originally $12, they are on sale for $6. You got your big onions them. Yeah, nice guys. You're buying dishwashing liquid. This is the best dishwashing liquid on the market. Dawn Platinum, it's the best. This can serve you for 20 years because you don't need a lot to wash the dishes. This, believe me, if you are washing dishes, this can last you for 20 years. Serious, look at that. You see it? Yeah, I don't like the knockoff brand name. This is a real genuine. Check out the Dawn Platinum, guys. Seriously. Yeah. Got 2 cases of Ensure, macaroni and cheese, almond milk, got a 50-pound bag of, what they call this? Jasmine rice. Yeah, there it is. Oh man. Yes guys, that's how we do it. This is how we do it. Yeah. Guys, I wish everybody did have somebody foreign or especially in the United States, who can pack a barrel for them. Yeah, but well, that's not how life works. But you know, yeah. So we're emptying out the trunk, and then we're gonna go see this giant box of cornflakes. See it? There it is. Let me see how much pound is it? This is a 1 pound, 10.8 ounce, $2. Yeah, see how big it is? Yeah. We have one more bag of basmati rice. We have 2 already, so we just pick up another one. Yeah, we got some oatmeal right here. Yeah, we have some mayonnaise and some grape jelly, Concord grape jelly. I have some more ketchups. Taking out the canned stuff them. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, got some. Yeah, some snacks right here. Yep. Yeah. Yeah, one more case of canned items. Yep. So these canned items I had to drive out from my community about 50 miles to go get the canned items, because in my location a can of evaporated milk is for $2.50 and a can of condensed milk is for $3. So the store that I normally go to buy these is 50 miles away. The evaporated milk up there is on sale now for 99 cents, and the condensed milk is for $1.25. So I said, you know what, let me just go up there, pick up the canned stuff. We got these for 59 cents, the canned items, mixed vegetable, corn and so forth. Wasn't bad. Yeah. And yes guys, corned beef, we found corned beef. Can't believe it, a can of corned beef for $2.25. And yes, a can of spam for $1.89. Yes, I know some of you gonna say, yes, those are poison food and those food are not healthy. Hey, I understand, but we still gonna buy them and put them in the barrel. You see it? Every man reserve his right to his opinion and reserve the right to his dietary laws and restriction. But we all know the thing set. We don't have to pretend. Yeah, so that is it right there. This is all the stuff that was in the truck. And then I have a barrel over there. I have the barrel right over there. That is more than half. So you can tell by what you see here that, you know, we're definitely gonna need one more barrel to put all the items in, and then hopefully we can get it shipped off to Jamaica before next week. That is what I'm shooting for, guys. Definitely next week. So okay guys, so here's the barrel right there. So all of this we got to empty it out back. You probably say, why you have to empty it out back? Because it's gonna be 2 barrels and I have to balance off the cans, you know, to balance off both barrels, you know. Can't put all of the cans in a one barrel, you see it. So that's the reason why I have to empty it out, so that one no light and one no heavy. Each one get kinda equal amount of stuff in it. Well, that is what I'm trying to do. We're gonna see how best I can accomplish that. But right now, we're definitely gonna have to empty this guy. Guys, I know it seems as if it's a lot of work, but it's a better thing to do. Alright, so we have more cereals right here. We have more basmati rice. Yeah. Yeah. We got our pastas. And our spaghettis and so forth. Yeah. The iced tea mix. Some juices. Yeah. Yeah, so that is everything, guys. Well, no, we got some little canned items in there, so we're gonna put some of this in this one and the rest in the next barrel. Yeah, and then we are good to go. Whew, I'm tired. So here's everything, guys. Yeah, it is everything. Yeah, this is definitely 2 barrels, guys. This is definitely 2 barrels that we're looking at right here. Yeah, definitely 2 barrels. Yeah. That is it right there, guys. That is it, guys. We're not gonna pack them today because it's too much work and it's not ready to pack because all of these guys over there, those with those lids right there, yeah, we're gonna have to tape them up. So we're not ready to ship yet until I secure those lids so that they won't flip up in the barrels when they are putting them on the container. So we're looking at probably another 3 days before everything is fully organized, before I can call the shipping company. Well, that is how I do it. I don't just throw them in the barrel like that. I make sure I do them properly. I make sure to do them as if I was shipping my own stuff. Yeah. That is it right there. We got a couple more days to really sort out everything the right way. We got to maybe bag up certain stuff. We got to also secure the lids, like buy packaging tape and tape around some of the lids. Not all of them I will tape because some of them they are sealed with plastic already, But the ones that are not, those guys, I will have to wrap them properly before I put them down in the barrel, because when the shipping company pick them up and they are loading the containers, they tend to be, the barrel tends to be under a lot of pressure, and pressure gonna be pushing on these guys right here. I'm missing one thing. I need a laundry detergent. Yeah, that's the thing I miss. I had the coupon to pick it up, but I didn't go to that supermarket where they have it on sale. I could have buy it at the next buy it where I went today, but those guys don't use coupons, and I said, why pick it up and I have a coupon, can get it at the other supermarket. So tomorrow I'm gonna pick up that, and I think I have one more thing. Yes, I got the next barrel to pick up, and then I will have everything in my garage ready, so that when I'm ready to do everything, and yes, I got to pick up some packaging tape. The one roll that I have, I don't think it's gonna do, so I need to get another roll, and then I will have everything within my garage so that I can start do my thing. So thanks again for tuning in one more time, guys. Really appreciate the love and support that you have been showing towards the channel. And if you like what you see, remember, like, share, subscribe, leave a comment, and all of that good stuff. So you have yourself a good one. Until I see you again, bye bye. Be blessed, be safe.